What if I told you Google just leaked something so big it could completely shift the Android versus iPhone war? No flashy marketing, no billion-dollar hype campaign, just one quiet move that's about to make every tech company nervous. And here's the craziest part, almost nobody's paying attention. But you are, so let me show you what's coming. Hey guys, it's TT here. This is the Pixel 10 series, and it's not just another smartphone lineup. It's a warning shot to Apple, Samsung, and every other brand still stuck in the past. Google is back in the spotlight with its upcoming Pixel 10 series, officially launching on August 20th, 2025, during the Made by Google event. And here's the twist. India gets it a day early on August 21st, with special store-exclusive deals already teased. From foldables to flagship powerhouses, this lineup is shaping up to be Google's boldest play yet. Wait till you see what's powering these phones. Design-wise, Google keeps the recognizable Pixel silhouette intact with that signature camera visor returning yet again, but now with subtle refinements. Think smoother edges, a more matte finish, and new color options like a sleek gray blue. And here's the surprise, even the base Pixel 10 is getting a triple camera setup. Yes, that includes a telephoto lens, that's a big deal. Google is no longer holding premium features hostage for the Pro models, but that's just the surface. What's under the hood might surprise you. For the first time, all Pixel 10 devices are powered by Google's own fully custom chip, Tensor G5. Built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process, this chip isn't just about raw power, it's about doing more, faster, and cooler. Reports claim multi-core performance has jumped 43% over the G4. Translation: apps open quicker, multitasking is smoother, and AI features can now run directly on the device, even without internet. And here's where it gets futuristic. This AI-first approach lets Google introduce features like Best Face, where your phone intelligently selects the sharpest facial expression from multiple frames, no more ruined group shots, or Sketch to Image, where your doodle turns into a finished picture using on-device AI. Want to adjust your photos? Just speak to your Pixel with the new Speak to Tweak tool. It's not magic, it's machine learning finally done right. Your screen's about to look brighter, literally. The Pixel 10 Pro rocks a 6.3-inch OLED, and the XL stretches to 6.8 inches, both boasting buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rates and peak brightness up to 3000 nits. That's blindingly bright and perfect for outdoor use, HDR content, and low-lag gaming. Add to that the ultra-responsive touch sampling and thinner bezels, and the Pixel 10 display could be a category leader. But what about battery life? That's where Google steps it up. With bigger cells across the board, 4,970 milliamp hours on the Pixel 10, 4,870 milliamp hours on the Pro, and a solid 5,200 milliamp hours on the Pro XL, combined with TSMC's efficient 3nm node, you're looking at longer screen time without the heat. And now Google adds Qi 2 wireless charging, unlocking faster speeds and MagSafe style accessories. That's a subtle but seriously welcome upgrade. Let's talk power, RAM, storage, and beyond. Expect up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR 5X RAM on Pro models and base storage starting at 128 gigabytes, though many still wish it started at 256 gigabytes. The good news? You can spec up to 1 terabyte for media-heavy users. That gives Google more flexibility across user types, from casual users to creative pros and power users. And if you're into foldables, you're going to want to sit down for this. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is expected to be slimmer, lighter, and possibly IP rated for dust resistance, a feature not even Samsung has fully nailed down. It may not beat the Galaxy Z Fold 7 on raw benchmarks, but it's tuned for smarter features, multitasking with fluid animations, and deep AI integration. Think of it as a productivity device that doesn't scream tech demo. Let's not forget the cameras, because they're about to get smarter, not just sharper. While sensor sizes might be similar to last year, Google is focusing heavily on AI-powered enhancements. Thanks to Tensor G5, everything from night sight to zoom enhance gets a speed and accuracy boost. This isn't about 200 megapixel sensors. It's about smart processing that gets more from every pixel. How long will your pixel stay updated? Longer than ever. Google plans to match or beat Apple on software longevity with 7 years of OS and security updates. That means if you buy a Pixel 10 today, you're still covered well into the 2030s. No exaggeration. Pricing, here's where it gets interesting. Despite all these upgrades, Google seems committed to staying competitive. The Pixel 10 starts at around $899, with the Pro at $1,099, and the XL and Fold models priced higher, but still undercutting many Samsung and Apple counterparts. The Fold is expected around $1,599, which is still friendlier than the Z Fold 7's rumored $1,899 tag. So what's the bottom line? This isn't just a spec bump. The Pixel 10 series is Google going all in. Custom chips, advanced AI, better displays, smarter software, and longer support without blowing up the price. It's a lineup built for longevity, creativity, and convenience. The future of Android might just be spelled Pixel.